before, after.
Take an old brass or metal tray. Make sure it's clean and dry. You'll need gold leaf paper, a glue, and a brush. Apply thin layer of leafing glue all over the surface. Spread evenly. Very cheap and easy DIY. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes to dry a bit. Apply the golden paper carefully, as it is very thin. Apply all over the surface. It's gonna take some time. But fun DIY. I am pressing it with hand so no air is under the paper and it sticks to the tray. The results will look amazing. We are almost there. Press it with brush to make sure it sticks to the surface. Then leave it to dry for 1 to 2 hours, and then dust off all the extra paper. Now apply coat of a sealing material. Mix it with 20% water and apply. I got it from Bluebird Paints. Apply it with brush. Leave it for drying. Ta-da, it's done! Looks so good already!